Good morning, everyone. We are going to have our breakfast. So it's from 7 to 9. 7 to 10, love. 7 to 10. So we're having a breakfast buffet. Pero tingnan nyo naman yung kinuha ko. I will get some rice after this. And this is our view again. Yes. Meron pa pala dito. You can toast your own bread. Checkout time, which is 10. We're also waiting for our driver to pick us up, and we're just taking some photos, just chilling, Netflix and chill. Attentive. He's very focused on one thing, it's the photos that he's taking. And he also managed to mess my hair, but I fixed it na. Oh, you messed it up. What else, ha? Anong mga gagawin mo pa today? We're on our way to feed the elephants with watermelons, and then later on we'll take back with them. We cannot do the whole program because we want to do other things for 800 baht, and then for the pakwans it's extra 200 baht. Look at the dog too. Naughty, sneaky.
Hug elephant.
Kiss.
Hug.
Wow, beautiful, maganda. Yeah.
So ano, na-experience mo sa...
You look at...
Scared?
Scared?
Cuma, chụp.
Nee.
Cuma. Nanti ambil dah. Cuma chụp.
Okay.
Chụp, cuma Eli. Chụp đi chụp. Chụp. Chụp đi, chụp.
Oh, smelling me.
Ang baho mo daw.
Chụp đi, chụp. Cuma, chụp. Đi. Chụp. Okay, chụp đi, chụp. Chụp.
Okay, one more.
Lu, chụp đi. Chụp đi.
No, just the food.
Again.
Look.
1, 2. Okay, so today we are staying in Elephant Worm. Mabuhay. A bit closer, Kakak, tai. go, pare? You wanna go? Yes, hug. Look at the camera. Chỉnh nó lo.
Bye bye. Thank you. Ang basa na namin. We are so baho.
Galing sa ilong ng elepante.
We are so baho na.
On our way to Erwan Falls. Kasi kumama si Erwan yung kasama. Agree ka mga si Erwan yung kasama.
Baba lang. 30 baht for the car and 300 baht for each person. So to go to the first part of the waterfall, it's 5 minutes walk. But you can also get the golf cart. I think it's 20 baht each. But we'll just walk for adventure. So this is the first level of the waterfall. Going now on level 2. Level 2 on the left side. Let's go. Ay, ang ganda. So, here's the level 2 of the waterfall. Ang dami palang level. So, level 7. That is too far. I'm going on level 3. This is level 3. I think we'll stay here. We'll stay here na lang. We don't want to go any further. The water is so clear, you can see the fishes.
Meron. Sarap. Okay naman din yan. Okay. Mga french fries. So we're entering the gates of the bubble in the forest. So here we go. Ganda. So Majo is suggesting let's not eat here
And let's not drink any coffee because it's overpriced.
Sobra.
But you never know, maybe it's yummy, that's why the price is like that. No one can understand me.
Kung kinain namin tig 85, 45 sa labas. 45 baht sa 85 baht dito. 200 plus. Tapos ako yung 400 plus.
Yung food range, yung food price, price range ng food nila here is 200 baht to 700 baht. Which is not bad if you want to be social, pero I guess not. Ano, Majo? No?
I don't know paano.
She said no.
Mahal talaga.
Guys, look at their papaya salad. You have to sangkap it by yourself. You mix and then mix. And then you do it yourself. There's another one that I want because it looks so aesthetic. Look, everything looks so aesthetic. That's why it's so expensive. Look guys! Napakaganda! Parang taho.
Maganda rin yung preto. Sarap na rin.
And then this one, sabi ko order namin. Ayaw niya. Why not, Majo?
French fries.
He doesn't want to eat, so I will order this one for me. What's for you, my love?
Pandan.
He wants the pandan. Okay. If you want to come here and you're in a budget, just take a picture and leave. Here's my second Thai milk tea here in Thailand. The first one was in the Chatuchak market. Let's see if this is good.
Show it.
Tamis, love. It's so sweet. It's too sweet that I cannot taste the Thai milk tea itself. I can only taste the sugar. So I do not recommend. This is just for aesthetic. We are here in our last hotel here in Bangkok. This is our fourth hotel na. Apparently we booked ay napaka-social na room. Kaya nandito kami sa sa lounge area nila. Hindi ko alam. Nag-book lang kasi ako. Love, we are so rich. What can you say?
I'm married.
Ganito naman pala kasosyal yung hotel namin. Meron pala kaming complimentary drinks. And included na rin yung breakfast. Hindi ko man nakita nung binubook ko siya. For our complimentary drink, I have Earl Grey. And for him, chamomile tea. The unexpected, expensive hotel. 14th floor. Are you ready to see the room, love? Welcome to my home. The toilet and the bathroom. There's a shower there. Here's our closet. I thought they would have, robes.
Everything is free.
Here's the counter. Everything is free. Not really, but... And then we have our TV here, our bed, and our bathtub. Jacuzzi pala, jacuzzi. Our jacuzzi. And this one, how do we open?
Electronic yan. Oh.
We will have view while we shower.
Oh, shower.
Yes.
It's nothing but reflection. Yeah.
Ang ganda! Look! Can you see? We're going to the pool. We're gonna check it out. Because it closes at 9 or 10?
9.
9. And it's 8.
6 to 9.
Right now. 6 to 9. 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Let's check it out, guys. Ito pala yung gym area nila. This is the gym. Where's the pool? Here? We're gonna swim again for the 3rd time today. This is the pool area. It's on the 8th floor of the building. And this is the view. Oh no, it's dark. Breakfast for today. Same, but I'm having tea instead of coffee. We're here at the railway market. The train comes at 11:10. What's the time right now? 5 to 10. So mamaya pang 10 past 11 yung train. So we'll have a look around while the train's not here. Fruits. We'll have a look around. We withdraw some money so we're rich again today. We'll have more money to shop. Ang gaganda kasi ng product nila. Daming fruits and all sorts of vegetables that we cannot buy because we're not gonna cook anyway. We'll buy fruits later because all the fruits are yummy. They're all sweet and fresh.
Đấy, chính là ôi đưa chàng ơi.
Love.
The train is moving.
Behind us.
The train is moving behind us.
Ayan, sobrang init.
Choo-choo.
Beep, beep.
We're on a floating market. Solo namin yung bangka because sabi nila, para daw magawa namin lahat ng gusto namin gawin. Stuck on the traffic.
Stress ako.
Ang dami nakikita, no? I feel like I'm so tired when I see a lot of things.
If gusto niyo mag-shopping, huwag kayong pumunta dito.
So we ordered pad thai and mango sticky rice. We're just waiting for our order. Mango sticky rice. Uy, wow.
Gurumos na.
We didn't buy anything.
Kasi mahal.
Kasi ang expensive. Everything is expensive. Hirap niya kainin, guys.
Sarap. Really good. Tingin ka dito. Okay. Sure tayo?
Oo, sure tayo. Ano ang difference? Ang bakit makaka natin?
Bumuwi sa akin, bumuwi sa nangyari.
Sarap?
Kahit ano yata mga gusto di guys.
Ano natin ito kasi ito mukha siyang ano.
Authentic.
Okay.
No.
We bought 2 different kinds of ano. Mango sticky rice.
Ang expensive. One very cheap.
One very cheap. This one is ano, malubnong yan.
Hindi, binuhos niya yung gatas kagad. Nung una hindi mo siya malubnong eh. Di ba sira?
The pretty one we bought for 200 baht. And this one is only 50 baht. This is the expensive one. And this is the cheap one. What do you think? The expensive one, right? And waiting for our happy hour. Ito na naman yung damit ko. Mukhang hindi na ako nagpapalit. Ilang araw ko na po siya sinusuot. Pero hindi naman ako mabaho. Hindi katulad ng kasama ko. Ngayon lang po ako naging ano, pa-social na ganito yung suot.
Free. Sarap talaga libre.
Free. Sarap. Siguro makakano kami dito, mga 5. Guys, look at what we're having for free. Mga hindi na-satisfy sa complimentary drinks and food. We ordered separate ones. Pina colada and mojito. And french fries. If you want a french fries, eat a french fries.
180.
Mas masarap yun sa after the rain kahapon. Huh?
Gusto ko to. Hindi ako masyadong malutong. Yung nangangagat na ayos.
Sarap. We finished swimming. Look at our outfit, guys. Look at our outfit. We are so fancy. We're gonna watch movie night. Look at our snacks. Ready. And we also have on the fridge mango. I have this drink and Milo ice cream. Yum. Hi guys, we're here at MBK.
Oh, lasing siya.
We are going to shopping again.
Oh, babang lasing siya.
And I'm not drunk. I'm just a little bit
Drunk.
na uminom ng white wine ng konti lang.
Oh,
very slight only. But he's very, very drunk. He cannot go to drunk.
Sino kaya mas mukhang drunk sa akin dalawa?
Hey guys, look! So, nandito na kami. We are going to buy a lot of things. May isang lalaki pong masaya.
Lagi naman ako masaya, basta sa'yo.
Genuine po yung halik niya sa kamay ko ngayon.
Dati sabi ko lang sa mga
Alam nyo?
sabi ko parang
We're going to have a date today. magdi-dinner po kami sa cruise. Niligaw po nila kami. They told us to go to Asiatic when they could have just picked us up at Pier 2 at Icon Siam. So we missed our cruise and we could not get the other one because it's fully booked. Not booked at White Orchid Chao Phraya. Do not. So now nandito na lang kami sa Asiatic. There's a lot of things to see and more things to buy.
Kami buri mo na.
We're back from Thailand. 12:20 a.m. and we're here
Another
at Jollibee.
Usual time.
Pero sabi po ni Majo, Burger Yum.
Usual
It
time.
should be Yum Burger, not Burger Yum. Why did you say Burger Yum, love?
Nicole.
You're so jeje.
JJ.
A heck.